Good evening. This is KK4RVR Steve. Got a video for you again for the crossband repeat on the Anytone 5888UV. Thanks to Kevin K5KDF for requesting this on the user forums. I finally got a chance to put this video together. So with no more ado, we'll go ahead and jump into it. Okay, right now I have I'm holding the camera by hand, so I'm sorry about the quality here. And if the camera constantly jumps in and out of focus, I had to turn on the autofocus to be able to capture the screen properly. Now, this right here is the repeater that I'm going to be listening to for this occasion. That's on 2 meters, and then this is going to be my crossband to the HT. So all you have to do to set this up is, one, you also have to make sure, let me get it lit up here, 446-1625 and 446-1625. You got to make sure that they're both on the same frequency. In a lot of cases, you want to put encoding on it, whether it be tone or digital encoding, to prevent, if you pick up interference on your Anytone, that it's not being transmitted to the other repeater. So it is helpful to have coding put on it, which in this case I have a separate frequency. If I can get this thing to readjust. I have another one with, or no, did I think okay, channel, yep, 117. I have the digital encoding. So on the Anytone, or on the Baofeng here, should be 117. And yes, both of my radios have identical programming in them as far as the frequencies go. And this net should be starting here any second now. I'm just waiting for him to key it up, then I'll turn up the volume. Make sure. Sorry about the camera. Yep, X repeat, crossband. Should be starting any time now. Here we go.
Good evening, amateur radio operators and scanner listeners. Good evening and welcome to the -2 net. Midnight -2 hours puts us here at 10 o'clock p.m.
Alright. So right here, I have this radio turned down, and I just turned up the Baofeng. Let's see, I'm going to make sure my transmit power is on low since I'm right here in the basement. Press set to get your menu to come up, and then since the X repeat is on this side, you push the top button, X start. Now it's on. And now okay, for some reason I'm not getting transmitting. I'm not getting audio. And go to this other one here. Turn the repeater off. I know this was working just yesterday. Alright. Make sure that these two are the right ones. Try this again.
Alright, good first round effort there. We have 5 suffix HVR, MWQ, MIC, KYM, GSD, CGI, and YGP. Any additional check-ins for the net? For TQF. Alright, picked up Bill. Alright, the word tonight is 6 characters long, all one word, 6 characters long.
Turning the radio down. And then to get out of it, hit set. Now, if I really wanted to set this up, and yes, I'm putting my camera back. If I really wanted to transmit, I could. I mean, the HT is already set, and I would just have to key it up and talk on it just as if I would any other time, and my radio would do the opposite of what you've seen it do. It's picking up the repeater and then repeats it on another frequency back to my handheld. So I mean, it would be, since I'm in a basement, yes, my shack got moved into the basement, so I can't hit very many repeaters with the HT, but what if I'm walking around the basement, I got to do something on the other side. I already have it set up. I can turn on the crossband. I can walk around anywhere in the house, even if I'm not, even if I want to try to talk on one of my distant repeaters, I can use crossband for that. I haven't really messed with it yet. I've only done some testing. But, I mean, short and simple, and that's how it works. If I missed anything or you have any more questions, go ahead and comment or ask on the forums. Because this come from a request on the forum, so I'm wanting to take care of that. So have a good night, or in my case, a good night, and I hope this was somewhat helpful. I know I kind of just jumped into it, but I hope this was helpful. 73 KK4 RVR.